public static void main. Okay.
Okay.
So previously, any function, whatever we have worked, it is either static or non-static, right? So what does the public do here in this?
That's right. So public is a keyword. It's kind of a modifier over there for us. Okay, public is a keyword, a kind of a modifier. So if I'm using multiple classes, so that time for me the public keyword will help me. So for example, if I have classes under the same package, okay, if it is default, so like classes like this or methods like this, I can access in any of this class. That is, I can call these methods in the other classes also.
Okay.
Got it? Same thing if it is public, I can call from the other packages also. If it is not public, I cannot call from the other package. So for example, to make it simple for you, so what is the class name? Functions basic.
Yeah.
Okay. Here I have a method called sample, where the return type is integer. Okay. So if I want to call from this same class, we know how to call, correct? The same thing, I will create another class from the functions package, a new class. I'll just give it as learning public. Simply, I'm just giving. So I need my main function. So now I want to call that specific method in this class. So that means what I can do, so program starts. Right click, run as Java application. So the program, so now functions basic is the class name here. Okay, which one? This one. So in this class, I have a method called sample. I need to access from this class. So that means what I need to do? Functions basic dot. Now can you see? I'm able to access all the methods which are there in the functions basic class.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then the main 7. Okay. So now what I will do? Can you see the sample method which does not have an argument? I'm able to access that method here. Can you see? Which the return type is an integer. Now see what I will do. I'll remove this actually what public keyword. Still I'm able to access? Yes, I'm able to access. Now what I will do, I will make it as private. Okay, this topic I have not taken still now. We will be taking it later. Just you asked Debdat to ask a question, so that's why I'm taking. No worries if you're not able to understand. We are going to see in a detailed way about this. Okay. See, now I made it as a private. Private is another keyword, a modifier. Now can you see? Can I access that sample?
No.
Okay, so the modifiers will help us to say whether I can access these methods or variables from outside the class or not. Got it? That is what this private, public, default, and then another one called protected also is there. So that's what it will do.
So,
got it?
yeah, got it. So Murli, how will we when we are working on any program, you show us how to do that by diagram, right? So how will we draw the diagram for that?
That's why once we come to that topic, right, that time we can see, because now if you jump to that, you will be confused over there. That's what I don't want to do that. You're saying actually what? I'm having actually what? Another class. In that class, I have some methods, and then in this current class, I have some methods. How to actually what draw the memory location diagram and then to use it.
Yes.
So we have still not seen actually what accessing members from the other classes, right? Once we go, that time we will see that. Why we need to jump now itself and then see everything.
Okay, cool. Because actually you have given that in assignment, so that's why I asked. Okay.
Is it?
Yeah.
And from different class to access, I have mentioned.
You have given this program to do that by memory location. That's why I get.
Oh, no, that's correct. Memory location I gave over there. Did I ask anything actually to access from the different class?
No, not this one. The function. It's fine. Forget it. We'll do it later.
Okay.
And,
We will. Yeah.
yeah, okay. And this static method. I just have one doubt. By doing memory allocation, we will mention that method in static memory, right?
Static methods, static variables, static block. All those things will be loaded into the static pool.
Okay, understood.
Okay.
Got it. And the functions basic. Can you go to that program?
Yeah.
Okay. If you go down, this is one sample 10.
Line number?
Line number 23.
Okay.
So here they mentioned sample 10.
Correct.
So here we haven't used either as the static, so we have to use class name as a reference, right?
So static members can be accessed in 3 ways. Correct. The standard practice to refer a static method or a variables with help of a class name.
Yes.
But still I can access them with help of the object name and also directly by the variable name or directly by the method name.
Directly we mention the method name, it will work out, right?
Yes.
Okay, got it.
Okay. Clear, guys? Any questions for anyone on this? Non-static members can be accessed only with reference of an object name alone.
Okay.
Got it, right? Good. Okay, cool, guys. So we will start. So let me actually So today we have seen, last week we have seen about actually the logic programs of actually how to build a logic and all those things. I know some of them might have missed over the session. So I'm taking a backup session for the new joiner for today, tomorrow and day after tomorrow regarding the same session. So I'll be starting it from actually while loop, do while loop, for loop over there. Then after that, how to find the logics, all those things. So it's like Indian Standard Time, 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock. Okay, 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. I'm going to take today, tomorrow and day after tomorrow. In case if anyone has missed out or anyone wants to re-attend the session, okay, the same meeting link what you are joining for the morning session, right? The same link you can join by evening also. If you want a recap or if you have missed the session, please re-attend. Okay, because I already told logic sessions are important that you guys have to go through. Okay, good. Okay, so let me go here. So we have seen for while loop, and then today we will go for the string class and then the scanner class. So I told you string is not a data type in Java. It's a class, also acts as a data type. Correct? So what is the advantage of that? We will going to see. Okay, and one more thing. So Fibonacci prime number I have not still executed. Okay, so no worries. I will be again coming back to that session once again. Okay, but meanwhile, it's your responsibility. You all have to try by yourself. Then again, we will see a recap. If you're not able to do only, actually what you know, so it's not like you should not try and then after that completely come and listen to me. Try your level best to get the output. After that, just confirm with me whether it's correct or not. Okay, I'll be taking it after 2 to 3 days. Cool. Okay, so string str is equal to the rains have started here. I have a string here. String str1 equal to the rains have started here. The only difference between these two strings is here it is small lowercase h and then here is an uppercase h. This is the only one change we have. Okay, system.out.println str.equals str1. Okay, so here I'm using equals. The next one I'm using equals ignore case. Okay, so the difference between these two comparison is what means. So equals will be case sensitive. It is case sensitive. It compares in a perfect way. Equals ignore case compares in actually what? Make everything to a lowercase letter, then the comparison will be done. So the output of these two things actually what will be true or false. So we'll see what is that we are getting. Okay, false, true, 27. Sorry, the first one is str dot equals str1, that is equal to false. Str dot equals ignore case str1, that is true here. Okay, that is when we are doing to a equals ignore case comparison, what it will do means so simple, it will make everything to a lowercase letter, then only the comparison will be started. Okay, that is what here we are doing. Understood, guys? Okay, so this time I am not going to execute this program. Okay, I want everyone to do this. I am going to actually what? Give you this class. Okay, I'll send it through. I am gonna forward to you all.
Murli, you can paste it in the chat window so that we can directly.
Yeah, I'll do that also, because in case if that I cannot paste the full program, right, this will be helpful. Everyone take your Java, sorry, Eclipse, then after that do it from there. Okay, so the main thing is actually what, just not execute and then see the output. First execute the output and then just verify what will be the output, because right now you guys don't know anything. Okay, in case if you guys actually what are able to do that, right, okay, because it's not always actually what whatever you know that you will be able to get it. Okay, there are places actually what where you will be learning by yourself. So the same methodology you guys are going to do right now here. Okay, so just a 5 minutes, but everyone has to do it through your Eclipse only. Okay, Meena Jose, I say forwarded to you also. I forwarded to you also. You can just check. This is what yours, right? Meena Jose. Oh, it's Meena Jose. Okay. Okay, sorry, it's my mistake. Oh, then I need to forward the other programs also to you. Okay, everyone take this program and then first execute it, you will get the output. Then check whether what is that we are doing here. Okay, 5 minutes only. So then after that I will execute, but everyone try that. Okay, so 7:57 we will again connect. Okay, thank you. Take this. So anyone able to guess how to get the output? So anyone able to just try at least 5 to 6? Any idea? Okay, cool. So no worries. Let me try. So can we? Yeah. Yes.
Okay. Murali,
Yes. Jay.
for few things I can explain, not everything.
Yes. Super.
Okay, I'll try. Okay, so viewers, let's start with length actually.
Yes.
So length is basically giving the length of complete string what we have.
Correct.
Okay, so here we are calling with the string one. Sorry, string
STR.
str. So we are checking the length of that,
So
and total length is
tell me. Yeah. Total
So
length is 27.
total length is 27, including spaces.
Yes, correct. That is good. So if you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27.
27, yes.
Correct.
Okay, then second is character at. So what is the character at the fifth location?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, so that is A. So how it comes to A is
Yes.
THE, and basically it starts with 0.
Okay.
That's
Okay.
what I understood. I'm not sure.
Correct.
So
it starts as per the
0,
index location.
yes.
Yes, that means 0, 1, 2,
2,
3, 4,
3,
and 5.
5.
The
Yeah,
fifth index position is A.
A. So that is printed A.
Correct. Yes. Then the next.
Then what is index of S? S is a character here.
Correct.
Okay. So the S character comes in range.
Yes, correct.
And that is the 8th one again.
That means the name itself says index of S. So that means index always starts with the 0th position.
Yes.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Good man. A good Jesh. Guys, still at least this everyone are able to guess it. I just want to confirm over there. Everyone are able to guess at least till here.
Hi, Murali.
Yeah. Yes, Prajna.
Can you please explain me that equals and equals ignore case? What is the difference?
So equals str dot equals str1 gives me false. Str dot equals ignore case str1. It gives me true. So the only difference between this str and str1 is what means the first one str as lowercase h here. The next one str1 as an uppercase h. That's the only one difference. Okay. So here str dot equals str1. The comparison when we are doing it over there, it gives me false because it is case sensitive. Here we have a lowercase. Here we have a uppercase.
Okay.
Okay. Then the next one equals ignore case. What will happen means it makes everything to a lowercase first. Then only the comparison will start. Now everything will be in lowercase. So will now the comparison will be success? Yes, it will be true. Because when we make it, this also lowercase, this also lowercase, everything remains same. Okay. So this also will be lowercase. It will change everything to lowercase. Then only the comparison will be started. That is, it is not case sensitive. Now it will be true. Now clear, Prajna?
Yes, yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Cool. So now we have seen till str.index of yes. That is gets me the first index location of yes here. Then the next is str.index of yes, comma 9. Okay, that means here what we are doing means that is get me the index location of yes from the 9th position, 9th index position. So what is the index position of yes here? It is 8. So that means I want to get the second index position of second yes. Sorry, the index position of the second yes. So I should start it from here. Okay, we know 8th index position is yes here. So start from 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, the second position of yes over there, here it is 15. So that's what here. So, but the problem here is what means, in case if you had have started something else here, the day rains. Now what will happen? This place, if I start actually with the index location search from the 9th position, index position 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that means it's going to start the index position sorry, from here 9, 10, 11, 12. But is this the actually what the second index position of yes? No, this is the first index position of yes. So how to get in a proper way the first index position of yes and then the second index position of yes? That's what we are going to say. Clear, everyone? What is that I'm trying to say here?
Maybe can you please explain that the two statement index of S and index of S and 9? I did not get it.
Correct. The index of yes, what it will do means get me the first index position of yes. So that means this is the yes which comes over here at the first time. Got it?
Okay.
What is the index position of that yes? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Got it?
Then what about 8? You mentioned.
That's what. Now we have added this, right? We have added this. Before it was like this. This time 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay.
Got it, right? Then now str.index of yes comma 9. That means what this will say means start your index search from the 9th index position. That is what this one. Then get me the yes, first yes, where you have this. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Got it? That is what we get here.
So index of returning is the means index of S 15. Output will be 15.
Index of?
The second statement str dot index of S comma 9. So here the output will be 15.
15. Because from the search here when we start, the S came here, which the index position is 15. That's what we are getting here. Got it, right?
Yeah, thank you.
Next, I'm printing some dashes here. Okay, so I told you that this is a hard-coded level where there will be a problem if you're going to add some more words or something here, or when we are removing some information over there might be some problem. What is the best way to find the first index position of yes, second index position of yes, third index position of yes? That's what we are going to see. So simple. str.index of yes. What is the output here? 8. Okay, 8 plus 1 is what? 9. So that 9 is what we are giving here. Got it? So instead of giving here like this, see, yes comma 9. Okay, instead of giving it like this, the best way to give it what means I know the str.index of yes, what it will do? It will give me 8. So you replace that one with this. This will give me the output as 8. 8 plus 1 is what? 9. Everyone understood what is the change I have done here? Instead of giving hard-coded level 9, I'm getting the first index position of yes plus 1. That is start your search from the next position of first yes. That will give me actually what? Again 15. Understood guys, everyone? This one is important because this string class we will be perfectly using it in our Selenium for sure. Very easily everywhere you go, without this string class actually what you will not be working. It's mandatory that we should know this. Is everyone clear on this part? Can everyone ping me as yes? Everyone can ping me as yes if you're able to understand this.
Murli, I have one more doubt. Sorry.
Yes. Yes, please tell me.
The first system.out.println str.length.
Sorry, come again.
str.length, the 9th statement.
Okay, okay.
In that, it is counting the length of the string. So the countdown will start from 1 or 0. It is like index
Which line number?
ninth.
Ninth. The str.length.
Yes.
Okay.
So it is counting the length of the string.
Correct.
So
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that it counts. Yes.
okay, so it is counting from 1. It's not for 0. From 0.
Correct, correct.
Okay.
Clear, right?
Yes.
Good. So everyone clear, guys, till now? Whatever we have seen, everyone clear, right? Okay. So cool. So now we have seen actually what, how to get the actually what, the index position of actually what, the first element and then the second element. That we got to know. Now, how to get the third information over there? Can anyone tell me? So this step will give me the second index position of yes. Correct? Then after that, plus 1. What it will do for me? Plus 1 of this. What it will give? It will give me actually what? The 15 is the second index position of yes. So it will give me 16 as the output if I give plus 1. Got it? The same thing I'm doing here. str index of yes, comma. Then after that, put this entire information and then plus 1. I'm giving here. Got it? So now what will happen? It will start the search from the 16th position. After this, do we have any yes here? No. If we don't have anything, that time it gives me -1 as the output. Got it? It gives me -1 as the output for that. Clear for everyone? The third index position of yes, I don't have anything. I don't have any yes, the third position. But that time, what will happen? It will give me -1 as the output if you don't have anything. Okay. So that's what here. Yesterday index of 25. So start. So we know actually what the index location of the, sorry, the length of this one is 27. Okay. So index location of actually what this one is what means 26, because length starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Index starts from 0, 1, 2. So this will be actually what 0 to 26. Before it is 1 to 27 length, index location is 0 to 26. So 25th position means what? Start from R. So that's what I'm doing here. After this 25th position, do we have any yes here? No. Again, for this also we will get -1. str index of hello. So now what will happen? Hello. Do we have hello here? The keyword? No. Again, for this also gives me -1. str index of star. Do we have star here? Yes, we have star. So that means what? It gives me what is the index position of the first element here. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 is the index position of this. For the star, the first index position of that is 15. That's what I'm getting for this.
So Murli, is this also case sensitive?
So yes, this is case sensitive. Okay.
Okay.
So from our side, actually, what these things usually we will go as via case sensitive level, because, for example, I'm going to read some information from my app. So always I should take whatever it is present in my app level. Okay, because that's a verification process. So there we should not give actually what in which is not case sensitive, because why means my application level, whenever I get, I always should confirm whether actually what it is case sensitive. Because for example, something is written over there, it should start with actually what the capital letter, then after that should go on. So in case if that is not started with the proper uppercase letter over there, means it's a problem from my side. Okay.
Yes.
So we always need to go in a proper way. Okay, right?
Yeah.
Good. So next, str.index of star, comma, str.index of star plus 1. So here is the star. So that is 15. From the 16th position, do we have any star? No. Gives me -1. Got it, guys? Then str.substring of 8, comma 16. So str of substring 8. So that means What we are doing here, substring, still now we have seen index. Here I am doing 8 comma 16. What is the output I have got? Yes space, have space, yes. That means I have got the output of this. So we'll see. So index position of this one is what? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. So the index position starts with 8. Then this is 16. Whether we'll see 8, right? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. So index position actually what is 15 here? Till that we are getting. So 16 it comes over here. But what does that means? This is 16 minus 1. Start from the index position, end before the index position here. That is 16 is there means what is the index position before that is what means this one. Got it? That's why S space have space yes. Understood guys? Then print the dashes. Any questions so far?
Let's go back to line 19.
Yes.
The string that index star plus 1.
Yes.
The 1 represents another star, or it's just another alphabet?
Good one. So str.index of star, what it will do? So here do we have star? Yes, we have a star here. So what is the first position of that one is 15. 15 plus 1 is what? 16. So it will give me 16. Okay. Then after that, str.index of star, comma 16. So from this position, do we have any star? No.
No.
So if you don't have anything, my output should be minus 1. That's what we are getting for this.
Okay.
Clear, right?
So Murli, basically index of
Yeah. Jayesh, I lost you. Hello. Jayesh, sorry, I can't hear. Hello. Hello. Is others can hear Jayesh? I'm not able to hear him. Hello. Jayesh.
hey Murli,
Just lost my connection over there. Sorry.
okay.
Now I'm able to.
So my question was,
Yeah.
the return type of index of is integer, right?
The return type of
Integer of.
this one. Yes.
No. I'm saying so. Yeah, string of integer of. Index of.
Correct. So
Here,
index of this one is integer. Is a return type.
Okay, fine.
Okay.
Yep.
Good. So then the substring over there, if you see, index return type is string.
Okay. Yeah.
Got it?
Can
So-
you explain once again substring statement?
So substring what will happen means it start from this index location 8 and then end before the index location of this. That is 15 means, sorry, 16 means 16 minus 1 is what? 15. So 8 comma 15. So that is, this is 8 position, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So till here we will get it. That's the thing. Got it? Any questions so far?
Yeah, so it will decrease, means whatever index number will give, it will decrease minus 1.
Yes, correct. Whatever we give, the end one is minus 1 of the index position.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, cool. So once again, the line number, the line number 14 and 15, once again I'll tell you. So I want to find the second index position of S. So the first index position of S is what we got in a way, str.index of S. So that is 8. So if I give str.index of S, that gives me 8. 8 plus 1 is what? 9. So I'm asking it to start the search from the 9th index position. So from here. After this, do we have yes? Yes, we have it here. That is what? 15th index position. So this gives me the second index position of yes. Now I want to find the third index position of yes. So that means I need to give actually what? Start the search from the 16. So this will give me what? 15. 15 plus 1 is what? 16. So that is what I'm doing here. 15 plus 1 is 16. So start the index position of yes from the 16th position. So from here to here, do we have any yes? No. So for that, it gives me -1. That, yeah. Yes, Dave. Yes, Dave.
Okay. The second one, str.index of s plus 1. We are using it. I think it will give us the correct result even if we change the string str here, right?
Come again. Come again.
Let's say in the 12th line.
Okay.
Oh, it is 9. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, if we add any word there in the str, so the value, the index value of s, the first s will change. So
if I give star.
No, star. S only, S.
Okay. Yes.
If we add any word there in str, the range have started here. Go to the.
Okay. Yes, correct. So here, if I had something.
Yeah. So if we do that now, it will give us incorrect answer.
Correct.
Right.
It will give me the first yes.
Yes. So if we go to the second, we use the second one, it will give us correct result all the time.
Correct. See now, if I execute this program, right click, run as Java application. So for this, it gives me actually what? 13 as the output. Got it?
Yes.
So, sorry, here already we have one yes. Okay. There we have already one yes in between, that's why. Okay. See now. So, yes command 9. For this one, it gives me 14. Okay. So, str index of yes, that is also 14. That is both the places it's giving me actually what? The first index position of yes, that is this one. Got it? But the expected for me, I'm looking for actually what? The second index position of yes. So the same thing when I commit over here, str index of yes is what? 14. 14 plus 1 is 15. Start the index search from the 15th. So from here. Got it? So from here when we start, this is 21. Okay? So that's what it gives here. Got it? Then for the next one, actually what? I'm giving, take the entire information of this plus 1. That is 22 will be this output. Okay. Str index of yes, comma 22. So after that, do we have any yes here? No, for that -1.
The only problem is the program will be big if you have multiple s.
Correct. Okay. Any questions? Any questions so far, guys? Just again, it got stuck for me. So everyone understood till the index of and then the substring, I hope so. Okay. So now I'm just printing the dashes here. str, it prints me the entire information here. Then after that, so this is another one, splitting. So what is that splitting over here means? Okay, so for me, based on the spaces, I want to split the words. Okay, see here, the reigns have started here. Based on spaces when I split, so what will happen, I can give it in this way. str.split of space. Now what will happen? I need to put that information into an array. So what is an array means? So simple. It's just actually what? A kind of a memory location which can store multiple values. Okay, so the temp is the array name, and then when anything comes with actually what, the square base will be treated as an array. So now what will happen? Based on this, actually what split the memory locations will be created for the temp array. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Totally 5 memory locations will be created here. Got it? Totally 5 memory locations will be created here. So system.println temp.length will be 5 for me. Then for integer I is equal to 0, I is less than temp.length, I plus plus. Okay, so starts from 0 and then the temp.length is what right now for me? It's 5. So less than 5. So 0 to less than 5. So till 4 it will be executing. Got it? Then system.println temp of I. So what is that I over here right now for me? It is 0 initially. Okay, so everyone has seen the for loop, how it works, right? So for integer I is equal to 0, start the loop from 0, then I is less than temp.length. What is the temp.length? That is 5. So that means 0 to 4 I need to run the loop. Then increment the loop I plus plus. I will be incremented as 1, 0 to 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. Then temp of I. So temp of I will be what? The 0th memory location. Okay, so it will store the D. It will print me D. Then after that again I value will be incremented to 1. Then in the first memory location range would have been stored. Then have, then started, then here. So like that it will be coming. The range have started here. Got it? This is what will happen. Understood? So this is what an array will be doing here. Clear? Is everyone clear on this part alone?
So Murli, a split is a ready-made function actually in Java, which
Correct.
we can use it, right?
Yes.
Otherwise, we have to write our own program to split it basically first
Yes.
thing,
Correct.
right? Then store into the array and
Correct.
then call it out, right?
Yes, correct.
Okay.
So what this will do means str dot, just a minute. This is my str. This is my str. Okay. So now str dot split based on space. So that means what will happen right now for me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So totally So totally 5 memory locations, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 memory locations has been created, correct? So the range have started here. So now what happened? str dot split of space over there. So it's a temp. Okay. So now what happened? The temp is the name of this array. HE. The range have started here. This will be 0, 1, 2, 3, and then 4. Got it? This is how it will be created. Then temp.length. Go to the temp. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the output will be for me, it is 5 here. Got it? Then for integer I equal to 0, I is less than temp.length, I plus plus. So start the I memory location, start the loop from 0 and then end the loop less than the temp.length. That is, length is what? 5. Less than 5 is what? 4. So till 0 to 4 I need to run it. Okay, then I plus plus. Then system.println temp of 5. So I value will be what? 0. So what is the output for that? D. Then I value will be 1 for the next loop. The rains have started here. Okay, so when the loop runs over there, it will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So temp of 0 will be the, temp of 1 will be the rains, temp of 2 will be have, then temp of 3 is 4, temp of 4 is here. We got it. That's what will be printed from the loop. Understood? Got it, guys? Then string x is equal to 100. Okay, so it's 100. So sorry, not here. X is equal to 100. I'm storing a string value into the x variable. Integer I equal to integer dot parseInt of x. So what is the x value? It is 100. So what this integer dot parseInt will do means it will convert the string to an integer. That means whichever it is 100. So this will remove this actually what string over there and then convert that information to a integer. So that's what. So integer I equal to the value of this. Got it? Integer I equal to 100 will be stored. That is integer.parseInt class will help me to convert that string to a integer value.
So Murli, will it give me error if I give instead of 100, if I give any string like say test?
Yes, that we will see here. Okay, right? So now what happened? System.println of I. So what is the I value right now? It is 100. Then system.println I plus 10. That is 100 plus 10 will be what? 110 because it's an integer. System.println x plus 10. X is what? Is a string. X plus 10 will be what? It will be concatenated. It will be 100, 1, 0. Got it? Concatenation here. Then string xy is equal to hello 100. Okay, which is a string. Z is equal to hello. Integer.parseInt of xy. So hello 100 is a string. Can I convert that information to an integer and then store to an integer variable? No. So what will happen? That will throw me an error. So what is the error here means? Number format exception for the string hello 100 because the line number is 36. Okay, because we cannot convert that actually what hello 100 into a string. That's a one thing. Got it? Any questions?
Murli?
Yeah.
What is that system.out? Sorry, the line is 30th one.
30th one. Okay. Yes, tell me. You want to know what is this?
No, sorry. 33.
33. Okay. X plus 10. What is the x variable here? This is a string. So what is the value here? It is 100. So anything comes in double quotes, it's a string. So anything added to a string, I told you it will be joined together. That is concatenated. That is what here it prints me actually what? 100, 1, 0.
Understood.
Got it, right?
Got it.
Everyone understood, guys? Everyone clear on this string class? Any questions? Can everyone ping me as yes if you're able to understand this one, today's session, string class?
Line 30, what's a parse integer again, please?
This one, line number 30, Tony?
Yes.
So integer.parseInt, what it will do means, if we give a string value into this argument, now what will happen? This will convert that string value to an integer value.
Okay.
If I remove this double quotes over here, will this be a number? Yes. So that's what I'm doing. Convert that string to a number, then store it over there to the I variable.
Murli?
Yes.
If I'll assign string x equal to one single character, not character, means with double quote, I will write it A.
Yes.
So here parseInt A, it will throw me error or it will print
Yes.
as given?
It will throw me a number format exception, because A can I convert to a integer? No. So it will throw me number format exception. See, for the string A, for this one, line number 30. Got it?
Okay.
Arashid, any questions?
And one more doubt.
Yes.
In that temp array, you are assigning str.split. So split function will give the, like, it will split the string into substrings, or
separate string values over there in a single multi memory locations in the array. So based on the space, I'm going to split. That means when I split it, now what will happen? It will split based on the space, means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 memory locations will be created for this. That is what it is.
a return type of split is integer.
This one, str.split is there, right? So for that, the return type is a string array. Okay, that's why we are making this. The temp is the name of the array, and then a square brace. Square brace represents as an array. Okay, array concept still we have not seen. We will be seeing that actually soon. Okay, so just this is a very basic thing where you can understand. That's why I went through this. But actually arrays in a detailed way we will be seeing it over there. No worries.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, good. Everyone clear, guys? Can everyone ping me as yes if you have understood for the string class? Okay, good. So we have done with the loops, for loop and string class. Method overloading also we have seen. Method overloading is what? Nothing. That is, you have actually multiple methods with the same name, and then based on the arguments you are differing it, based on the number of argument or based on the type of arguments, right? That concept is called as method overloading. Okay, same method name with different arguments. Okay, based on number of arguments or based on type of arguments, when you are differing it, that concept is called as method overloading. Got it, right?
Let me ask you, the schedule you're showing over here, do we have
that? Which one?
The schedule. Yeah, this Excel form.
Yeah.
Do we have that in our emails?
Yes, I have forwarded to you guys, Tony. You're not. I will forward you. No worries. I will forward you again. No worries.
Right. It's good to read on it before class starts, so we can have a better understanding.
Sure, I'll send you today. Hope so everyone have received, guys. Others have received it because I've sent you once at the beginning. I don't know, some more thing has been missed. At the beginning of the session, I have once sent to you all. Anyway, no worries. I will forward you today to you all. You can have a look on that.
Okay, thanks.
Good. Okay, thank you. Hey, Meena, actually, your mail ID is wrong. You can just send me your mail ID once again. It's been.
Murli?
Yes.
You have not covered till now final keyword, right?
No. Final keyword still not we have taken. Meena, actually, you can just forward your mail ID once.
Yeah, I missed it. See, just now I sent.
That's what, before I was sending for that only, right? You told that is not yours. Mino Jax.
Yeah, this is mine only.
For this only I was always sending.
Okay.
From the beginning.
Okay, fine.
Good. Okay, cool guys. So with this, I'll stop it for today. So tomorrow we will again connect with the next topic. Okay. Thank you. Bye. So today, as I told, night 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. of Indian Standard Time, we are going to have a backup sessions for the logics. So today we will be taking if conditions, while loop, do while loop, for loop, all those things. Then the basics of how to print numbers, even numbers, all those things. Then tomorrow we will be going with the sum of numbers, all those things. Okay. Good. Okay. Cool guys. I will be forwarding you this this program to you guys. Okay. I'll be forwarding this entire program to you. Just again do the assignment of this. This actually again you guys are going to execute it in your side.
Murli, can you please forward that topic detail Excel?
Sorry?
That Java, yeah, this one. Can you please forward this one?
Okay, right?
Yeah, spelling, can you please forward this for this file?
Yeah, that's right. Today I will be forwarding to everyone. I'll forward this entire file to everyone. No worries. Okay, thank you. Thanks, guys. See you.